For a while there it was rough, but lately I've been doing better than the last 4 cold Decembers I recall. And I see my family every month. I found a girl my parents love. She'll come and stay tonight, and I think I might have it all. And I thank God every day for the girl He sent my way. But I know the things He gives me, He can take away. And I hold you every night, and that's a feeling I wanna get used to. But there's no man as terrified as the man who stands to lose you. Oh, I hope I don't lose you. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please don't take.
Túžba milovať a byť milovaný je tá najsilnejšia túžba, ktorá v človeku je. Ľudský hlad vo svete zabije milióny ľudí. Viete, čo spôsobí nedostatok lásky? Možno, keby som sa vás pýtal na začiatku vášho vzťahu, tak by ste povedali: našiel som dokonalú ženu, Paline. Vykýda dokonalého chlopa. Spýtam sa vás o 10 rokov. Keby ja bol znal. Nie. Tak to niekedy je. Ale toto je práve o tom. Urobte jeden druhého dokonalým pre seba.
Ja, Pavol, beriem si teba, Viktória, za manželku
a sľubujem pred všemohúcim Bohom, že ti budem vernou manželkou
a že ťa nikdy neopustím, ani v šťastí, ani v nešťastí,
ani v zdraví, ani v chorobe, a že ťa budem milovať a ctiť
po všetky dni svojho života.
A ja v mene Svätej Cirkvi potvrdzujem, že ste uzavreli sviatostné manželstvo a požehnávam ho v mene Otca i Syna i Ducha Svätého. Čo Boh spojil, človek nech nerozlučuje.
It's been a while, but I'm finding my faith. If everything's good and it's great, why do I sit and wait till it's gone? Oh, I tell you, I know I've got enough. I've got peace and I've got love, but I'm up at night thinking I just might lose it all. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. Don't take these beautiful things that I've got. Please stay. I want you, I need you, oh God. I need these beautiful things that I've got.
Che confusione, sarà perché ti amo, è un'emozione, ti cresce piano piano, stringimi forte e stammi più vicino, se ci sto bene.